Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss our Have you ever seen poem English workshop. Yesterday we have seen means we learn about the poem means how this poem is interesting and amusing. How this poem is very funny because poet is there plenty of puns and we are means really it is we are means enjoy this poem means what the poet expected here read means when you are reading the poem really you enjoy the play on words and how same words can have different meanings. Okay, it is the central idea of the poem. Now today we are going to discuss about English workshop. If you have any difficulties about related to poem, you can ask me. Okay, you can ask me on group. Now today we are going to discuss first question of English workshop. From each line in the poem, pick out the word that is a homograph. Write its meaning in the context of phrase used in the poem. And then write the other meaning implied in the question. Means what is the two meaning? Means each line there is each words have the two meaning. Okay, you have to find and write the two meanings of this. Okay, for example here is given first stanza there is means each stanza there is four words. Like this way you have to write down. Means for example here first word is bed. One meaning is piece of furniture and another meaning is bottom of river or sea. Okay, bottom of river or sea. Then second word is here. What is the second word? It is head. Okay, means head. What is means one meaning is it is a part of human body. One means upper part of human body. And second meaning is part of hammer which we hit or hit a nail. Which we hit a nail. Okay, it is another meaning. And then second meaning is see part of hammer which we which we hit a nail or stone. Okay, then third word is foot. Third word is foot in first stanza. Here in the first stanza, one meaning of the foot is part of leg, and here second meaning is base of mountain, base of a mountain. Okay, base of a mountain. Then fourth word is hose. Garden hose is given there means hose, only hose. Okay, a pair of stocking or tight. One meaning is pair of stocking or tight. Here is given in this C, pair of stocking or tight, and another meaning is flexible tube. Flexible tube. Then second stanza, which words are there? See, first word is eye. Means one meaning is of eye. It is a organ of human. Organ of human means organ of. Okay, it is organ of human. And second is means it is a hole of a needle. Hole of a needle to pass a thread. To pass a thread. It is a needle eye. Then next word is wing. Next word is wing. It is a means organ of bird. First meaning is organ of bird which is used for flying. Which we bird is for used for flying. And second meaning is part of a building. Part of a building. Okay. Then next word is what is the next word? Ribs. Means it is a bones. Okay, curve bone of human body. Curve bone of human body. And second meaning is it is the spokes of umbrella, spokes of umbrella, or sticks of umbrella, sticks of umbrella. Then trunk, next word is trunk in the second stanza, fourth word. It is a large storage box. First meaning is suitcase or large storage box, suitcase. Okay, and second meaning is stem of a tree, stem of a tree. Okay. Then third stanza, which words are there? First word is teeth, teeth. First is, it is a means part of human body which we are using for biting and chewing, biting and chewing. Okay, part of mouth which we are using for bite and chewing. Okay, then next another meaning is, it is a long metal tool, long metal tool used for clearing leaves or clearing soil. Okay, loosening soil. Yes, it is a long tool for loosening the, used for loosening the soil. It is a garden tool which have the pointed teeth with a long handle for loosening soil. It is another meaning. Then next is hands, part of arm, and second is clock, hands of clock, pointers of clock. Okay, pointers of clock. Third, plot, evil or wicked plan, and second is small area of land, small area of land. Then next is bark. It is a sound of dog, and second is hard outer part of tree, hard outer part of the tree. Hard outer part of the tree. Okay, like this way, these are the words which have the two meanings. Okay, then question number C, next question. Write two lines from the poem which you find most humorous. Write two lines of the poem which you find most humorous. Okay, we can write many lines are there which we all the lines are humorous. For example, the needle ever winks its eye. This line is humorous because holding a needle that is winking, holding a needle that is winking its eye. Or another line is, it is, see, it is mountain toes, foot of a mountain, or single hair from hammer's head. There is no any hair on the hammer's head. Okay, there is, poet ask here if anyone has seen a single hair on the head of a hammer. It is humorous. It is a humorous line. Okay, then next, yesterday I told many example of figure of speech that you have to write here. When I taught the poem, after teaching this poem, I told that many figure of speech that you have to write here. Then question number 4, it is reduced from your syllabus. Okay, reduced from your syllabus. And question number 5, read the following sentence carefully, then fill in the blanks using appropriate words from the bracket to make puns. To make puns means here are given some sentences that you have to find, put these words and make a pun. Okay, she had a photographic memory but never developed it. Then second, he was struggling to work out. See about how lightning work it stuck him. Third, every calendar day are numbered. Next, a bicycle cannot stand on its own because it is too tired. I am reading a book on anti-gravity. It is impossible to put down the book. I had tell you a chemistry joke, but I know I would not get a reaction. Next, what do you call Weston like Sherlock isn't around? Homeless. Okay. I would tell history joke, but it's too old fashioned. Like this way, these are the answers. Everyone write these questions in your notebook and hard words meanings. Okay. And appreciation of poem in the paragraph format. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Thank you.